Ever wondered if you can pack charcoal in your luggage for a barbecue, hookah, or any other use on your travels? Today, we're breaking down the TSA rules for bringing charcoal on board and the best ways to pack it safely. The quick answer? Charcoal is generally allowed in both carry-on and checked bags, as long as it doesn't contain any added lighter fluid or fuel. But there are some important details to keep in mind to ensure you're fully prepared. Types of charcoal allowed. There are different types of charcoal, like lump charcoal, briquettes, and even hookah charcoal. Here's what the TSA allows. Lump charcoal, briquettes, hardwood, coconut shell, and binchotan charcoal are all permitted in both carry-on and checked bags. However, quick light charcoal is not allowed at all since it contains flammable chemicals. Can charcoal go in a carry-on? Yes, you can pack charcoal in your carry-on. Just be sure it's secure and packed within the airline's size and weight limits. But if you're planning to bring a large amount, it's probably better to put it in checked luggage due to limited space in the cabin. Can charcoal go in checked luggage? Checked luggage is the preferred place for charcoal, especially in larger quantities. But remember, no quick light charcoal, flameless only. Airlines and TSA officers might double-check these items at security, so it's smart to label the container for easy identification. Charcoal on international flights. When traveling internationally, regulations vary by airline and country, so it's best to check with your airline in advance. Some airlines, like Air Canada, don't allow any charcoal in checked or carry-on bags, so double-check before you pack. How to pack charcoal for travel. To pack charcoal safely, use a sturdy container with a tight lid, like a plastic or metal container. Wrap the charcoal in newspaper or foil to avoid mess, then seal the lid and add a label so TSA officers know what's inside. Remember, TSA officers have the final say on items allowed through security, so be prepared. And if you're on an international flight, double-check with your airline's guidelines on bringing charcoal on board. So there you have it. With a bit of prep, you can bring most types of charcoal on your travels without worry. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions about packing for your next adventure.